product, the company is moving to a production environment, we can't be providing full access to all the users. We need to limit their permissions. So under security part, they will be mentioning provide only the required access. Don't provide them full access. Sometimes they will provide a policy for which resources specifically they want access to. In other cases, they will provide the request like I want access to this particular bucket. I should be able to upload or download the files, and I should be able to list all the buckets. So in this kind of scenario, we need to create our own custom policies. To create a policy, click on the policies from the left side, create policy. So here we have two options, visual or JSON. Visual means you can select a service and you can select access, read, write, and permission level. You can select visually. JSON policy, if you have the policy readily available, you can just copy paste it. For new learners, visual will be very helpful. So let's go for visual. I am selecting the service S3. So it has other options like Glacier, Object Lambda, and S3 Outpost. So ours is S3. Let's select the correct one. See, if you select all S3 action, it is like S3 full access. So we are not going to select all the access. We are going to limit it. So list action is fine. So we are going to get all list action, read action also. But under write, we are going to limit it. Create bucket, we are providing put object. Creating a bucket and uploading file, we have provided the access. Permission management, we are not going to provide any permission and tagging access. So here I am going to give specific or all. All means the user will be having access to read and write access for all the bucket, and write access to all the buckets, but he can only do upload permission. He can just upload the files. He can't delete or do any other actions. So let's go for all. Specific means he will be having access to only upload files to a single S3 bucket. So for now, let's go for all. Next. So let's create the policy. Policy name can give us S3 F1 limited. So I have one more policy on the same name, so that's not allowing me to create. So now let's go to the user which we have created previously, select it. Under permissions, we are going to remove the full access and add a newly created custom policy. Now you can see we have created one user and created one custom policy, access key and secret key we have created. This is a simple task, but you get the same kind of task on a regular basis. The request will be more, and limiting the permissions will be more severe for some kind of scenarios. Adding to this task, you will be getting a task like creating a role and restricting permission to the role. These kind of tasks we can expect under IAM service. I can show you more tasks related to IAM on future videos. This will be helpful for the users who are newly learning AWS and who are interested in AWS, are eager to learn the services, how it works. It will be very useful, I hope. And the people who is expecting to work on AWS related jobs, when they want to know what are the daily tasks that will be faced on a production level, what are the tasks they will be doing. If you have this kind of doubts, you can follow me, and I will be posting many other videos in other services, like what are the basic tasks we will be performing. Thank you everyone.